Did you know Pakistan's Air Force has some of the most impressive jets? In the next few seconds, you'll discover what makes their fleet so formidable. First, let's talk about the F-17 Thunder. This jet is a joint effort between Pakistan and China. It has advanced avionics and multiple roles. The F-17 Thunder is vital for Pakistan's air defense. Next, we have the F-16 Fighting Falcon. This American jet is known for its speed and agility. The F-16 enhances Pakistan's combat capabilities. Let's not forget the Mirage series. These jets have served Pakistan for decades. They are reliable and powerful. Each aircraft plays a crucial role. Together, they create a robust air force. Like what you see. Subscribe for more.